Hi guys, guess who's back? I bet you guys are wondering, like, no, this heifer ain't trying to slide up on our timeline after being gone for 4 years. Well, yes, I'm sliding up in your timeline. I've been gone for 4 years, but I'm here to say that I'm back. I'm going to take you guys on a quick little journey with me with some pictures and give you some updates on what's been going on in my life. First things first, I did record a video back in 2016 because if you guys recall, 2016 was the last time that you guys had seen me on here. Well, what had happened was my computer was like corrupted and it wouldn't take video files anymore, and you know, that was that. And I just never ever put forth any effort in getting it fixed. But just to give you guys some updates, because a lot has happened, a lot has changed since then. I ended up getting engaged shortly after my surgery in 2016. I got engaged. I went out of the country. I was in Europe for about 3 weeks with my sister. We went to go visit my nephew. We traveled to London. We traveled to Rome. We were all up and in throughout Germany, Frankfurt. He lives in Kempten. We were in Belgium for a little bit. It was more like a layover, and we tried to explore as quick as possible. And after I got back, I just started working. You know, you guys know I'm a special education teacher. That is my love, my passion. I love my kids. Just started working, and then I got married about 6 months after I got engaged. So I got married in January of 2017 to my wonderful husband, James. He is the best. We went on a honeymoon. We knew that we wanted to start a family rather quickly. We did actively start trying to get pregnant. We thought that it may be a problem because I have endometriosis, but it turns out that your girl is fertile. Well, it came with some problems though. So I had a chemical pregnancy in May of 2017, and then I did get pregnant again in August of 2017, and I ended up miscarrying. The miscarriage was pretty devastating. I was very sad. I really did think that that baby was our miracle baby, because remember, I do have endometriosis, active endometriosis. I got pregnant again very shortly after. I think I got pregnant in like September, October, 2 or 3 months after the miscarriage. That ended up going full term. So I do have a baby girl. She was born in July of 2018. Her name is Skylar. She's 18 months old, and she is such a blessing. Skylar is also very high needs, not special needs, high needs. She's really demanding. So in June of 2019, I actually took an extended leave of absence from work. So I'm currently not working right now. I've been staying home being a full-time mom to Skylar. It was very difficult for me juggling the commute, juggling daycare, nursing her half of the night, her crying all the time. You guys, Skylar is a crier. She was a crier. She cried and cried and cried and cried. And you know, as a new mom, not being able to kind of comfort your child, it was tough. I want to show you guys something. You guys see this bump? Ooh, my dress dirty. Due to some complications, gestational diabetes, I will be delivering early. We already have our delivery date, so baby girl will be here in about 3 weeks. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for that journey. It's going to be really fun. I'm really glad that I'm making videos again. I'm really happy to be back. The next video that I have for you guys will be a hair update. It's up right now because I don't want you guys to see everything. It's sort of like a reveal, but just to give you guys a little hint, your girl has decided to vlog. So these are micro twists in my hair that I installed myself. My next video is a tutorial on this hairstyle and how to achieve your own micro locks and what I did. That is all for now, you guys. Like I said, I don't want this video to be super duper long. I just wanted to, you know, slide back in and say hi, say that I'm back, and say expect some more videos from me in the future. So I will see you guys later. Peace.